Hi there, it's Ian again from DIY Home and Gardening. Little project today, quite a simple thing. Got to make some rope for Cubs group, so had to make a little jig, so I thought I'd show you how to do that. There we are, that's my little jig that I've made. It's quite simple. I drilled a hole in through that little block of wood there, just using a 6mm drill bit. Basically hammered in a screwdriver section into there, or screwdriver bit section. So then this element here will fit into the chuck of a drill. Two vine eyes which are screwed in. Again, just made the holes using a 4mm drill bit, and then screwed those in, and then using a pair of pliers and a monkey wrench, just opened up the eyes on the top so that they retain the string as we put it in. So that's the twine or string in question. Just used that, made a loop on one end, and then fixed the end into that hook. Ran the other end of the string down to a bracket at another location in the garden before returning back up, still with the same end, so just making one long section and then fixing it onto the other side. So you then end up with string running from this section down to a fixed point and then returning back to here, and then use your drill to slowly move it around so that it spins around and fastens the string together. So using that method, basically made two separate sections of thin grade rope, and then attached those two sections onto the jig again and back down to the end bracket, and then this time spun the drill in an anti-clockwise direction, which then bound the rope together, and it takes out all the stretch and play that's in the rope, and you end up with a nice chunky section like that. Then you just got to put a knot in either end just to hold it together, stop it moving, and that's your rope made.